Finds itself on a national list it doesn't want to be on. The top 10 emergency departments with the longest visit times. WRAL health reporter Grace Haber spoke with the people in charge who say that those rankings don't tell the whole story.
The Becker's rankings look at the total time from when a patient arrives at the hospital to when they're either discharged or admitted. It found patients in Duke University's emergency department were there for an average of 412 minutes. That's just under 7 hours. But those with the hospital say this is no longer accurate. The data for the rankings was collected from April 2022 through March 2023. It's a time when hospitals everywhere were dealing with an unprecedented shift in patient volume after a global pandemic.
That data looks very different than our current performance.
Dr. Charles Gerardo is the hospital's chair of the Department of Emergency Medicine. He says nowadays average visit times are down about 30% compared to other hospitals on the list. Gerardo adds Duke's location comes with a unique patient population.
About 1 in 3 of our patients, their point of origin, or like where they live, is greater than 20 miles away. 18% is greater than 40 miles away.
The system's ability to perform more advanced procedures and complete tests in the emergency room without fully admitting a patient to the hospital is a large reason someone may come here instead of an ER closer to home.
We have everything from, yes, gunshot wounds, but we also have transplant patients, patients with cancers that they're either looking for second opinion that their point of entry is through the emergency department or require very specialized treatments or drugs that they can't get other places.
The doctor adds the emergency department also sees many patients who are uninsured. And for patients without insurance, seeking care elsewhere, like in an urgent care, may not be an option. Grace Haber, WRAL News.
The same report found on average emergency department wait times nationwide rose by 2.5 hours in the last year.